Welcome friends, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be organizing my fridge and under the sink cabinet. I got some new containers and I'm super excited to use them. The first ones are fridge doors. I forgot I had a coupon from the container store, so I figured it would be great to use them for this. I can leave the link down below if anyone is interested in these. As always, I'm removing all the items and giving it a good clean before organizing. I had to rearrange the fridge shelving in order for the drawers to fit, but it all worked out. My plan is to have all the dairy products at the top, and then the second shelf will be for leftovers and other miscellaneous items. These drawers again are from the container store. They were $20 each on sale. Normally they're $25, and I think I ended up paying $15 out of pocket after using the gift card, so that was really nice. But if you're looking for other options or different sizing, Amazon also carries them.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel.
It's been a couple days since I recorded this video, but it was nice because I got a chance to test out this whole system. And since then, I feel like I've been eating more fruits and veggies. Having them washed and clean has been a game changer because it's right in front of my face and I can grab and go. There's no time to think about other snacks in the cabinet because by then I already have a healthy snack in hand. So 10 out of 10, I recommend washing your fruits and veggies before they go in the fridge. One thing I will possibly change next time is putting my celery in a mason jar with water. The stock that I had was already starting to go bad, so that must have played a part in it, but I feel like the ends started turning like a brown color quickly. So next time I'll just leave them in the water and that should help.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. You feel so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, if they ever disappear, I will forgive you if you're forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Moving on to this disastrous cabinet, I've literally been shoving everything in here, so I'm super happy to finally get around to this. I have mostly cleaning products on one side and grocery bags on the other. A lot of products in here I don't use anymore, but I'm going to keep them in case I ever need them. The ones that I use the most will be at the top shelf, which is 1, my cleaning wipes, and 2, my non-toxic spray. So you'll see those at the top.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face it another day. We go bottoms up. Shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. Go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face it another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. Another day.
know it's not perfect and it's not Pinterest worthy, but I strive for better. I always ask myself, does it look and is it better than how it was before? If the answer is yes, then that's a win for me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't.